Hello friends, Geek for Today here. So in this video we're discussing on what is DNS. So what is DNS stands? DNS stands for Domain Name System, also known as Domain Name Server or Domain Name Service. DNS is a various level decentralized naming framework for computer administration or different assets associated with the internet or a private system. So Paul v.mockapetris, born in 1948 in Boston, Massachusetts, US, an American computer scientist and internet pioneer, and John Postel, born in August 6, 1943, Altadena, California, US, an American computer scientist and programmer, who together create the Internet Domain Name System. We all work on internet, so why is it important to know about DNS? The internet is the global system of interconnected with large computer network around world. This network connected by web, in underground, in some minor cases under sea wires. Computer on internet communicate with each other using strings of a logical number is known as IP address or Internet Protocol. IP work like strict address. They identify where computer is located on internet and help the data travel between computers. Now, it's one thing for computer communicate using these logical strings IP addresses, but think a human had to remember this apparently random number strings for all millions of websites we needed to find. This make big issue for us because we human memorize or identify things by its name, we not comfort by number. So human understand names or machine understand numbers. To deal with these things, we have DNS. So in your mind there is a question, what exactly is DNS? For example, in our cell phone there is a phone book. In that our family or friend number saved as contact by name. By help of this feature we can remember contact, neither not able remember lot of 10-digit number. That pretty simple DNS do. We know that what is google.com, facebook.com or youtube.com, but computer won't know. They know only IP address. How DNS work? For example, 208.65.153.238 is the YouTube IP address. When you search for YouTube by its name, DNS server fetching for YouTube IP. After found IP request go to web server to request for YouTube homepage. By all this process you get YouTube homepage. If you know IP address, you specifically search your desired website, but most of people know website by name, not by IP addresses. What problem occur? If someone control your DNS server, they can see what exactly you browsing in most of cases. Someone your internet service provider. And more that they can change your IP to other website. So when you search for youtube.com by anyone set your IP to facebook.com, either opening youtube.com, open facebook.com. When you search for youtube.com, that website IP is saved in our browsing cache memory. After you visit that website again without any buffer fastly. But if website IP address is changed and your internet service provider not update DNS server, then you search for that website. Because the IP change of that website, you get message of error or page is not found. To solve this problem, we use Google public DNS server is 8888 and secondary public DNS is 8844. In some cases, our internet service provider are blocked some specific website. By Google public DNS server, you can able to visit that blocked website. What benefit of using Google public DNS server? If using the internet of our internet service provider, you search for any website, they save IP of that website. But that website IP address is changed, but DNS server is not updated. So internet service provider DNS server is find that website IP. So on one click you not get your page. After 2 or 3 times you refresh, then you get your website home page. That's why people use Google public DNS server. So friends, you think listening DNS like simple word? Without DNS you can't listening song online, can't buy online anything, you can't see video online, you can't do chat with friends, you could not do anything on internet without DNS. So keep in mind, it's not magic to let you do these things on the internet, it's DNS. So friends, I hope you like video.